This 2024 Ember RV Touring Edition 24 MSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Ember RV is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a Coverdale interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, Murphy bed, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.